Imagine a colossal invisible world lurking at the far reaches of our solar system, so distant that no telescope has ever directly glimpsed it, yet its presence might be tugging at the orbits of icy celestial bodies far beyond Neptune. This is the enigma astronomers call Planet 9. Could there really be a ninth planet, a hidden giant, silently orbiting our sun, shaping the architecture of our solar system from the shadows? Or is it simply an illusion, a cosmic mirage born from anomalies in the motion of distant objects? Today, we dive into one of the most tantalizing mysteries in modern astronomy, a puzzle that has captivated scientists and stargazers alike, and we'll explore the evidence, the theories, and the cosmic implications if Planet 9 does, in fact, exist. The story begins not with a dramatic discovery, but with a subtle anomaly. Astronomers mapping the outer solar system noticed something strange. The orbits of several extreme trans-Neptunian objects' icy bodies far beyond Neptune, including Sedna and 2012 VP113, were clustered in a way that defied expectations. Instead of moving randomly, their elongated, tilted orbits pointed in the same direction, almost as if an invisible hand were corralling them. At first, these patterns were brushed off as a statistical fluke, but over time, the evidence grew stronger. What could exert such a gravitational influence from such an unimaginable distance? The idea of a hidden planet emerged, a massive body perhaps 10 times the mass of Earth, orbiting hundreds of astronomical units from the Sun far beyond the orbit of Neptune. To truly grasp the magnitude of this proposition, imagine the solar system as a gigantic carousel. Close to the center, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars circle gracefully, visible and familiar. Farther out, the gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune move in more leisurely arcs. But beyond Neptune, in the darkness, the small icy objects drift silently, their motions hinting at a powerful, unseen shepherd guiding them. Planet 9, if it exists, is this unseen shepherd. Its gravitational influence could explain the strange alignment of these distant objects, the peculiar tilts in their orbits, and even why the outer solar system appears lopsided. The concept of Planet 9 isn't entirely new. In fact, the search for hidden planets has a storied history. In the 19th century, the discovery of Neptune itself was a triumph of mathematical prediction. Astronomers noticed irregularities in Uranus's orbit and deduced that another, unseen planet must be exerting a gravitational pull. By calculating its position with pencil and paper, they successfully predicted Neptune's location decades before the advent of modern telescopes. This success fueled hopes that another, more distant planet could still be waiting to be discovered. But Planet 9 would be a far trickier quarry. Unlike Neptune, it is hypothesized to orbit so far away that it completes a single revolution around the Sun in 10,000 to 20,000 Earth years. That means we've only glimpsed a tiny fraction of its orbit, making detection extraordinarily difficult. So how do astronomers hunt for such a phantom? The quest is like searching for a shadow in the darkest corner of a vast room. Scientists rely on indirect evidence, the peculiar clustering of distant objects, subtle perturbations in their motion, and computer simulations of the outer solar system. Using these clues, researchers have modeled the possible orbit of Planet 9, predicting its location within a narrow swath of sky. But even with powerful telescopes, this cosmic hide-and-seek is fraught with challenges. Planet 9, if it exists, is likely cold, dark, and incredibly faint, reflecting only a tiny fraction of sunlight. It might resemble a gas giant like Neptune or a super-Earth with a thick, icy crust. But until it's observed directly, its exact nature remains speculative. Interestingly, the potential existence of Planet 9 could explain more than just orbit alignments. Some astronomers have suggested that it might be responsible for tilting the entire plane of the solar system by 6 degrees. This tilt is subtle, but it's consistent across all the planets, a whisper of a massive unseen force shaping the dynamics of our cosmic neighborhood. Planet 9 could even play a role in sending comets hurtling toward the inner solar system. Its gravitational nudges might occasionally dislodge icy bodies from the distant Kuiper belt, sending them on long looping trajectories that eventually intersect with the Sun. In essence, this hidden planet could be the silent puppeteer behind some of the solar system's most dramatic movements. But let's take a moment to appreciate just how vast the distances involved are. If Planet 9 is 500 to 1,200 astronomical units from the Sun, that's 500 to 1,200 times the distance between Earth and our star. For perspective, Neptune orbits at about 30 astronomical units. This means Planet 9 could be 20 to 40 times farther from the Sun than Neptune. At such distances, sunlight is thousands of times fainter than what we experience on Earth, and any thermal emission from the planet itself would be incredibly faint. Detecting it requires instruments that can pick up the slightest glimmers of light across vast expanses of space, a challenge at the very edge of our technological capabilities. Despite these hurdles, astronomers remain undeterred. Surveys like the Dark Energy Survey and the Subaru telescope in Hawaii are scanning vast regions of the sky, hoping to catch a glimpse of the elusive world. Each new discovery of a distant trans-Neptunian object helps refine the potential location of Planet 9, narrowing down the search. Simulations suggest that if Planet 9 is real, it might appear as a slow-moving dot among thousands of distant stars, almost indistinguishable except for its motion over weeks and months. It's a patient, painstaking hunt, a blend of science, computation, and a dash of cosmic detective work. The implications of finding Planet 9 would be profound. It would reshape our understanding of the solar system, challenging the traditional view of a neatly ordered planetary family. We'd have to reconsider models of planetary formation, questioning how such a massive body could form so far from the Sun or whether it was captured from interstellar space. Some theories even suggest Planet 9 might be a rogue planet, wandering the galaxy before being ensnared by our Sun's gravity. The discovery would be a landmark, the first major addition to the solar system in over a century, igniting a new era of exploration and debate. Of course, skeptics urge caution. Some researchers argue that the clustering of distant objects could be a statistical artifact, a result of observational bias. After all, the outer solar system is vast, and we've only observed a tiny fraction of it. The objects that we've cataloged so far might simply represent a small, unrepresentative sample. Others propose alternative explanations, like the collective gravitational influence of many smaller bodies, rather than a single massive planet. The debate is ongoing, and until Planet 9 is directly observed, certainty remains elusive. Yet the allure of the unknown is irresistible. Planet 9 embodies the human fascination with the hidden, and the unseen, a reminder that even in our own cosmic backyard, mysteries remain. It challenges us to look deeper, to question what we think we know, and to embrace the possibility that the solar system is more complex, more dynamic, and more mysterious than we've imagined. The search itself drives innovation in telescopes, simulations, and observational techniques, pushing the boundaries of what we can perceive. Imagine, for a moment, the first confirmed sighting of Planet 9. Picture a faint, bluish orb slowly creeping across the backdrop of distant stars, revealing a world that has remained hidden for billions of years. Its discovery would not only solve a cosmic puzzle, but also inspire new questions. What is its composition? Does it have moons or rings? Could it host exotic forms of ice or even subsurface oceans? How did it arrive in such a remote orbit, and what does that tell us about the history of the solar system? Each answer would likely spawn a dozen more mysteries, a cascade of scientific inquiry and wonder. Beyond the scientific implications, Planet 9 captures the imagination in a profound way. It's the stuff of dreams and science fiction, a hidden giant shaping the solar system from afar, a celestial character in our ongoing story of cosmic discovery. It reminds us that the universe is not fully mapped, that mysteries persist even in places we think we know. And in a very real sense, it symbolizes the frontier spirit of astronomy, the pursuit of knowledge driven by curiosity, guided by evidence, and inspired by the infinite expanse of space. In the meantime, the hunt continues. Every new observation, every refined simulation, every icy object tracked in the distant Kuiper belt brings us a step closer to answering the question, does Planet 9 exist? Some astronomers are optimistic that within the next decade, advances in telescopes and sky surveys might finally reveal its presence. Others caution that it may remain hidden for generations, a silent guardian of the outer solar system that teases us with its gravitational signature, but never fully reveals itself. As we ponder the possibility of Planet 9, it's worth reflecting on the broader lesson it teaches us about the universe. Space is vast, full of hidden worlds and unseen forces. What we know is dwarfed by what we do not know. Even in our solar system, mysteries linger at the edges of perception, waiting for patient observers to uncover them. Planet 9 is more than just a hypothetical planet. It is a symbol of scientific curiosity, a reminder that exploration and discovery are never ending, and that the cosmos still holds secrets that could redefine our understanding of reality. So what do you think? Is Planet 9 lurking in the darkness? A hidden world shaping the orbits of distant objects, waiting for us to discover it? Or is it a cosmic mirage, an artifact of the limited observations we've made so far? The truth may be out there, somewhere between data and imagination, teasing us with the possibility of discovery. If you enjoyed this journey to the edge of our solar system and want to explore more cosmic mysteries, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment sharing your thoughts on Planet 9, and subscribe to Cosmic Horizon Hub for more explorations into the wonders of the universe. Together, we'll continue to uncover the secrets of space, one mystery at a time, and who knows, maybe one day, we'll witness the discovery of this elusive, hidden giant with our own eyes. Until then, keep looking up, because the universe always has more stories to tell.